They cooked over here with a chair. Oh man, the other one they should have threw her in the water. Oh man, it was crazy. But hey, jumping ain't nice. People want to make man, no, jumping ain't nice. I don't care. You jump me, I got a friend for you. Man, I wish you would jump me. Like, man, hold on, man. And she put in his head and shit. What the fuck? Man, I would have, man, then oh boy, after he stuck one on, bow. I said, oh shit. Man, so you put in the, man, 50-50. Hit me, I'm gonna hit you back. Then oh, pop, pop. Then oh boy hit her with a truck. Boom. I said, oh man, that boy, everybody got his back. From all around the world, they had his back on that one, man. I said, whoa, bam. I said, oh shit. That man say, they can't make like we the violent ones. We not the violent ones. No. They clicked on him. I want to hear the excuses. I want to hear somebody really try to defend that bullshit. That was some bullshit. Damn, they really try to click on him. He just doing his job. Come on, man. Just doing your job. You get clicked on like that. That was crazy. Damn. Bop, bop. Nah. That's why you say you never know who watching. You never know who watching. You never know. So you think you getting over on somebody watching. They ain't with a camera. They might got them things for your ass. So good work, everybody. Good work. Cause man, say if y'all want to help them, they would act like he tried to do something to them and act like he was in the wrong and all that type of drama. Cause hey, it was already 1, 2, 3 already whooping his butt. And then we had one didn't want nobody to break up the damn fight. Like, what the hell is you doing? Stop. Old boy coming from the top. Y'all saw him come from the top. He come down there, old boy trying to stop him. No, man, you ain't finna let him get his ass whooped like that, man. From all y'all crazy. Y'all crazy. Y'all got like, he got on that ass. That's what's up. Good job. Jumping ain't nice, for real. I'm like, whoa. He put, man, it's like, much love to y'all, man. Say, but man, if not, they would try to flip everything to own him, make it look like he was the bad guy, and he didn't do nothing but doing his job. No, they drunk ass. Hey, y'all know. He got something on his ass. He had something for them, and y'all thought y'all gonna click on him. Nope. All that alcohol got y'all a rude awakening. Y'all thought y'all had some power. I don't know if y'all mad over the Trump shit, but no, you ramped up the wrong tree. You did. With that bullshit trying to jump on somebody. Man, golly. Oh boy threw his head up. Fuck that shit. It's going down. It's going down. And he got the connector. Yeah, he was looking for him. Oh boy trying to get on that boat. They didn't want to take off. No, don't leave now. Don't leave now. When the hat went up, I already know we're gonna go viral. Viral. They both threw the head up. No, y'all got me messed up. They trying to pop off. Once he threw that head up, man, we had people come from left, right, north, south, east, and west ready to click with the old boy. That's why I said, you never know who got your back. Because the ones right with you, they ready to run. And look at that. He was by himself doing the job. He had everybody had his back. Boy, I said, that's what's up. That's love. Everybody. They knew they weren't. Man, it's just the point. Everybody know everybody not in the right when somebody getting jumped. Nobody's in the right of jumping anybody. Anybody. So that's the whole point. Jumping is not cool, nice, none of that. That's letting people know. You click on somebody, you don't know who gonna come back and they're gonna bust your side with a bat or something. Because the whole point, y'all taking advantage of a person, and that is not cool. And I'm glad somebody was there to help him. Because man, if not, they would have probably bust him in his head real good and threw him in that water, and he could have been unconscious under that water. I'm glad they helped him, and man, say it's good because they did a good job. Because man, say if not, man.